6 ZV6 18s on 4 Wolfram 9Ks on a 135 amp hour C-Max.
This looks really good. Did you build this?
Yeah, I turned every.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
What's your name and what's in here real quick?
My name's Matt Bryce, and I've got 6 ZV6 18s on 4 Wolfram 9Ks on a 135 amp hour C-Max.
This looks really good. Did you build this?
Yeah, I turned every screw in this thing, man, from start to finish.
Nice.
From load stock to what you see now.
Yeah. Have you fine-tuned it a little bit yet in the back?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah.
I didn't have enough baffle, so the sub is right here at the wall, so it
Yes,
kind of goes into the port. Which
Okay.
I found does affect tuning a little bit.
Yes, sir.
It works out.
Wow. Looks really good.
Thanks, man.
What is your electrical like for your alternator and battery and all?
We got a Brand X 490, I think, and JS 425.
Okay. It's a really deep box. Yeah. Do you know your tuning specs on it?
Yeah, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, about 23, 24 on the bottom, and maybe 50, 51 on the top. Yeah, at least that's what I've got on paper.
Yeah.
I've messed with the port so much that
It'll change by every little thing. Even when somebody sits in it, it changes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
But that 135 does really strong for that. Those Wolframs.
It does?
It's 15.8, and it'll stay there.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Won't move at all.
Awesome.
And I'm really impressed with these ZV6. They thermal capabilities and the handling on it.
Are they still 3-inch coils?
Yeah.
3-inch,
Yeah,
8
they
layer.
They cool really good.
They do? Yeah.
I'm really impressed with them.
I like the way you made these braces too.
Yeah, thanks, man. I just actually put those in last night, which helped a lot. I was losing some DBs on the roof, the flex.
Yeah, the way you mounted them so that you don't realize how much it moves until you brace it down.
Oh, yeah. Take a slow motion camera and it can really see the flex.
Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Awesome. All right.
Bandwidth is pretty good. I play 15, probably 15 to 50, pretty good.
So you're
just a short meter. I'll do a little bit over 160 at about 40 hertz, but I haven't really metered a lot because I haven't really had this playing very
Yes, sir. Okay.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Insane system from Matt. He did a really great job with the layout, design, everything to make this amount of subwoofer cone area space with 6 18-inch subwoofers fit in this enclosure in one vehicle. So shout out to you, man, if you're watching. Everybody be sure to give him a like as well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. I really like everything about it, from the clean amp rack in the back to the clean box in the front, the layout and design, even his dash and everything around it and the speaker install was all completely fresh. So be sure to give him a like, and shout out to you, Matt. You did a really good job. I even like the wiring layout that he has set up as well. And he has a really nice beefy electrical system to support. So 9,000 watt amplifiers, 4 of them, which 4 times 9 equals 36,000 watts. Later at the end of the video, he'll mention that he was clamping over 26,000 watts at 26 hertz. And these subwoofers are taking it, the ZV6 series subwoofers. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. We're about to get to the bass demo. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in November of 2021 last year. Finally getting up to uploading it. Looking forward to showing you all a lot of cardio videos to come, daily videos, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get to the bass demo.
All right.
Yo, these songs do. Can't stand no. What you like to walk? Yeah, it's all my niggas. You know how to take it off, so my niggas. I know what that is, but you know what she don't want. I just pick it up and up and watch it. That's all my niggas, he's my best. Got a lot to lose, still can't get scared. I want to lose so much, be careful like that. From that soup, that's just cool, bitch. Bitch, I call my last. You know, second.
Man,
Yeah.
you really did good on this roof too.
Oh,
It's
man,
not
yeah.
hardly moving at all.
It's solid. It's 3 inches thick right
Yeah.
here. And the floor is reinforced. I got this
Yeah.
brace here.
Really nice. Man. How hot have you gotten your coils to? Just curious.
They're 130 right now.
Well, that's not too bad.
Yeah. It'll clamp. I clamped 36,000
Yeah.
at 20 hertz. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's nuts. These EVs, they
Yeah,
take it.
they don't- yeah.
It's crazy.
Yes, sir. Very nice. I'm gonna go look at the amp rack. Thank you very much for the demo. Very clean response too, and it just like throws the pressure all towards the customer, like the
Yeah.
person that comes in to hear it. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate the demo.
No problem.
I'm gonna go look at the amps. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
What was your name?
Matt.
Matt. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, Jake.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAvile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.